If you want to transfer data from your old phone to your new Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then we can use Smart Switch for that. Now, on your Galaxy A56 5G, you should be able to find Smart Switch in the Samsung folder. It is pre-installed. And on your old phone, well, this depends on what kind of phone you have. What is your old phone? Because if you also had Samsung, then most likely you can also find the app somewhere on your phone. However, if not, then you can use the Play Store or the App Store if you had an iOS, I mean, sorry. And in general, we just need to simply enter the Smart Switch name, and you should be able to find the Samsung Smart Switch mobile app, and you need to download it on your old phone. Once you download it on your old phone, we can open the app on both the devices. So it looks like this. And on the old phone, we just need to simply send the data. So in my case, I need to press let's go. I'm gonna do this wirelessly. And we are now looking for the device to connect to. On the new phone, we want to select receive on this phone, choose what kind of device you had, what is the old device, and then use the same method, so wirelessly in my case. And then we should be able to detect these two phones should be able to detect each other. As you can see on the old phone now, I need to agree to connect. And after that, the A56 will scan the old phone and check what can be transferred. Then we can choose what we want to transfer, so we can transfer everything, just accounts, calls, contacts, and messages, or you can go to custom, and then if you press next, you should be able to choose whatever you want to transfer, messages, videos, images, and so on and so forth. And in my case, data that was previously transferred isn't shown because I actually did this before. So let's say I'm gonna transfer just messages. I'm gonna select messages. We can scroll all the way down and choose transfer. Now, here is the transferring. In my case, of course, it is really quick because messages don't really take that long to transfer. So it all depends on what kind of data you want to transfer. I mean, the speed and how fast it will be done. But as you can see, once it is done, we can press next and then done. The data should be transferred now, and on the old phone we can also press done, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!